What's up, blockheads? Welcome to the episode where we're basically going to draw who gets to have the April 2018 block box. Alright, so I made a video last month basically talking about this new idea that I had called the block box, where I was gonna basically get some things together and give like one main prize and then a couple of other items to go along with that. And so to start off, I basically selected to have a patron, so you have to be a patron in order to be selected for the block box, win this Blockhead garage banner, right? This is the banner that we used at FXR Dyna Day. It's got bits of burnt rubber and all that stuff on it. A couple of you guys asked me to sign it. You guys said hard work deserves recognition, so I will go ahead and sign it. Yeah. That's a terrible signature, but it's my signature. So, bam. Signed. Thanks for the support, guys. I greatly appreciate it. So, yeah, you've got the garage banner, and then just a random assortment of things right here. Within this assortment of things, we have a DK Customs koozie. We have a Dan the Fireman pin. We have a Blockhead patch that me and the Blockheads got while over in, where was it, Daytona for Biketoberfest. You've got Blockhead stickers, what I call the golden ticket. This is basically a gold swing arm decal like I have on my bikes. Some people were like, haha, golden ticket, that's lame. It's not, I don't think it's lame because, like I said in the original video, I don't give these out. I don't give them to like anybody. Like, these were specifically made for both myself and Miss Blockhead to put on our bikes, and like I put on my helmets. So those are kind of like an insider thing, you know. They don't go to anybody. And we've got some old school Blockhead decals, and then we have a Get Lowered gift card as well. So it's a bunch of Blockhead stuff, right? But this is the first month that we've basically tried this, and you guys supported, and oh yeah, and Dan the Fireman sticker. But yeah, you guys supported like absolutely crazy. You guys showed a huge interest in this thing, and so we're gonna basically continue on with the block box. And based on the support that you guys showed, the prizes are going to get better and better and better as we go along. So I already have an idea for the prize on the next one. And let me tell you guys, it's going to be awesome. So go check out Patreon if you guys are interested in that. If you guys are interested on how to enter to win the block box, well, for this month, it's going to be the block tube. So I'll send that in a tube mailer. If you guys are interested in how to be selected for that, you have to be a Blockhead patron. So go head over to patreon.com/blockheadmoto and you'll be entered if you sign up and become a patron. What I've done is I've made a list of people that contributed to the channel that were Blockhead patrons for the month of April. And I've sorted that list out. Basically, we have the names, we have the entries, your first entry, and your last entry. So basically, if you have 15 entries, your first entry would be 1 through 15. So that is your number range. If you have 2 entries, Adam and Olivia, you've got 2 entries there. So your next up, you'd be entries 16 through 18. So that is your number range. So, right, 1 to 15, 16 to 18, 19 to 24, 25 to 55, etc., etc. What I'm going to do, and this is the full list of names of people that contributed. Thank all of you guys so much. I greatly appreciate the support, and I'm really like super hyped that you guys are on board with this block box thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my phone, I'm going to generate a random number, and whatever that number falls in between on this list, that is the person that will receive the block box. All right, so I've got random number generator brought up. I'm gonna hit it, random number generator. So the minimum is gonna be 1, right? So the first entry is 1. The maximum that we've got is 764. So we're gonna do 764. And then we're gonna hit generate, and this number is gonna automatically generate a random number. All right, y'all ready? There it is, 526. So 526 is Lou the Wrench, right? Yes, so Lou the Wrench is basically entries 445 through 534. So congratulations, Lou the Wrench, you get the block box. I will reach out and be in touch with you, basically get your address. In addition to this stuff, I'm also gonna send a t-shirt, any t-shirt of your choosing, from the Blockhead store. Man, that's that's awesome. That's the first time we've done this. Thank you guys so much for your patience while I've kind of figured out this whole process. Yeah, that's the first time, guys. So like I said, if you're interested in doing this, I'm gonna have a video up. I'm gonna try to have it up tomorrow of what the block box contents are going to be for May of 2018. So I'll try to have a video tomorrow talking about what the new prize is. There's going to be pretty much through every block box, there's going to be the same like kind of standard prizes. I'm always going to have like one of these. I'm always going to have like a couple of stickers. For the first couple, I'm going to have a get lowered coupon, and then just like some other random stuff, you know, like koozies, and there's always going to be a shirt in there. But then there's always going to be like one main prize item. So that prize item is going to change. The main prize item for this month is the Blockhead garage banner, which is the one you see here, except like I said, the one we used at FXR Dyna Day. So if you guys are interested in signing up for it, go check out Patreon. The rules are over there at the bottom of the description for the channel. You guys can check that out. Basically $1 equals one entry, and you guys can set that up however you want. I do talk about that, or I will talk about that in the next video, talking about the May 2018 block box. Anyways, Lou the Wrench, congratulations, man. I will be in touch, and we'll get this stuff all sorted and sent your way, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. If you guys aren't subscribed, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon while you're over there so it sends you notifications. And until next time, you guys, ride safe, stay vigilant. I'll catch y'all later. Deuces. Man, that signature is... I need to work on that. That's like the second time I've ever signed something, so you've got that.